Hey everyone, I wanted to share some information with you in regards to the rest of the class this semester. As you know, we're going fully online and that will officially start around April 6th. So I might share some stuff with you before then, but just so you know, that's kind of the to-go date for your classes is a week from now, April 6th. So I'm going to go through and talk about some things on what you should expect from online class and how it will look a little different than class in person. So overall, the class format, I'm going to keep very similar to what we've done before. So there will be video notes, there will be homework problems for you to complete, and a few online labs and just a few tests. So there will be some changes, and the first main change is going to be our Zoom meetings, which I'm going to hold on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 a.m. So these are going to be just times where I review notes with you all and answer any questions that you do have. I'll go over and clarify things further than the video notes do. And if you don't know what Zoom is, it's like a giant FaceTime for a lot of people can join in at the same time. So that will be our Zoom meetings. They are optional, but I would really encourage you to Zoom in so you can get that more personalized lecture time with me. And it won't be full lecture, it'll be me just kind of answering questions for you. If you need a personalized schedule, so if you need additional help or further explanations, please email me and I can set up your own personalized Zoom time, or we'll Zoom in with 2 or 3 other students who might need help. Another kind of big change is I'm not going to have any big homework packets. Instead, you'll have just individualized assignments. So there's not going to be as much homework, and it's going to be really focused on key things of what you do need to know. And I will still check your work. So if you share your homework with me, I will still check it and provide you feedback that way. There will be no study guide, so just as a clarification with that. And I didn't put this on there, but your tests will look a little different as well. So they're going to be through Google Forms, and the good thing about that is you can use your notes for the test. And they're not going to be very lengthy, but it's going to be focused on those key things that you do need to know. And so how do you keep up with online classes? It might be kind of overwhelming for you because it is self-paced, and that can be good, but also it can be kind of challenging to flip to that different format. So here are some helpful ways that you can keep up with your online classes. First is to check Google Classroom. This will be my main source of communication. So check that before you begin your classwork every day. Find new information that's on there. You can leave class comments if you have questions on any post, and then I'll answer that so the rest of your peers can see that communication as well. Please email me if you're confused or have questions about anything. So we're here for you. We're not here to make this overwhelming. We know this is a big jump for you guys to switch to online learning in the middle of a semester. So if you're feeling anxious, if you're feeling overwhelmed, please let me know and I'll walk through anything with you at all. So tests, again, will include more projects and they'll be more flexible. So I will allow like multiple tests, retakes. If you're not understanding the content, I want you to understand it, not to necessarily focusing on getting an A, B, C, or D, but more so, am I actually understanding the content? So last, do your best. Don't get overwhelmed. Again, I would make yourself a to-do list every morning and focus on the things you really do need to get done that day. And try to keep a routine for yourself. Maybe it's 10 to noon that you work on homework, but try to keep that consistent routine every day, and that will help you just have a routine of life. So I hope you guys are doing well and thinking about you all. I know it's a really tough time, but just know that we're here for you, and we want you to do so well at the end of this semester. So thank you guys. If you have any questions, please comment on the post or feel free to email me.